Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and I'm a graphic designer at Ridgeline Insights. If you sell products on Amazon, posts are an easy and free way to get more sales to your Amazon storefront. Posts give your products additional no-cost impressions. They also allow customers to follow and engage with your brand and give you extra content for your storefront. Let me show you how easy this is. Start by navigating to Manage Stores, Tools and Resources on the sidebar to the left, Posts, and then click Create Post. I recommend using a lifestyle image that gets you the best conversion or engagement while meeting Amazon image guidelines. Write a fun caption to capture attention, but be sure you follow Amazon post guidelines. Lastly, provide your product ASINs. Since you can add up to 10, be sure to include your best-selling products to be featured. You can also schedule a post to go live at a future date here. The more you post, the better your engagement will be. This will allow you to create unique offers and deals, allowing you to increase sales. Happy posting!